Do you want to double your income? One of the biggest issues I hear is I'm not making the money I think I should be. How do I get more clients in the door? Now, getting clients in the door is important, but I want to make sure you have the complete picture. You see, there are 3 ways to increase your income, and they are tightly integrated. They are increased leads, increased conversions, and increased frequency of buying. The better way to approach this is to think in terms of this equation. Leads times customers times frequency equals growth profit. With this, you can increase your bottom line without adding more expense, because the biggest cost is the initial acquisition of a new client. And then here is where that exponential formula finally has a practical application. When you 2 times your leads and 2 times your customers and 2 times the frequency, that leads to 8 times the growth profit. 2 times the leads equals 2 times growth profit. 2 times customers equals 4 times growth profit. And 2 times frequency equals 8 times growth profit. Let's look at the first one, increase leads. For the last 11 years, I have been talking about the landing page. A landing page is a one-page website that does only one thing: get the name and email address of a prospect in exchange for a value-added gift that will show them how you can solve their problem. This will allow you to build a list of people that know, like, and trust you. And the best way to get them there is through your social media and an effective gift called a lead magnet. Doubling your leads is the beginning step to make more money. In fact, it's critical to the success of the next 2 methods. 2. Increase conversions. Conversions are when a person moves from a prospect to a customer. This is where it gets exciting, because this leads to another 2 times growth of your income. You see, once someone has opted in and they end up in your marketing funnel, now it's about leveraging systems, strategies, programs, and services that can help you convert faster. It takes 7 to 12 touch points to make a sale, and with the use of systems such as an autoresponder email management software, this reaches out on your behalf, building know, like, and trust until they have been enlightened and educated enough to want to work with you. 3. Increase frequency. Now that a person is in the system and they have bought something, you want to do 2 more things. Either increase the frequency in which they buy by offering more programs and services they can take advantage of, or offering higher-end programs that may convert less but result in more profit margin than your lower offerings. So with an enticing landing page, effective conversion strategies, and irresistible offers, with automation, you can double your income with each step of the formula, leading to an 8 times increase. And it all starts with the landing page foundation. From my best-selling program, Instant Online Impact Silver, which has me build all of what you need to get the jump start on your market. You'll get a full branding package including logo, unique selling proposition, and domain name, a fully branded and customized lead capture and conversion website, your email marketing funnel setup, integrated and streamlined, your high-converting free gift giveaway called a lead magnet, your signature program design and offer, surveys and call to action setup, 30 days of one-on-one consulting access with me, and a one-on-one strategy call that's recorded where I'll present a full-year marketing plan for you, so when this project is complete, you know exactly what you need to do next. And last but not least is lifetime access to my private community. So when you need support, I'm right there. You can now say, yes, I want to double my income, because it's all done for you. Putting a landing page in and nurturing prospects properly was the greatest asset I ever added to my 32 years in business. You need one, so make it easy on yourself and get it done right the first time. So how do you get started? 1 of 3 ways. 1, call the office right now and we'll do an assessment for you. 2, get a deeper understanding of all the pieces by heading to alandingpage.com. And 3, experience one for yourself by opting into mine at fastactionresults.com. Take your pick, and I look forward to helping you reach your next level.